I believe in it. I believe in the savings that we're having and in the company we dealt with, you guys. Well, I would highly recommend the company. And the solar system so far, I'm thrilled the way it's working. I happen to have a relatively new roof, less than a year-old roof, so it worked out timely, great, because new roof and solar system. Yeah, Atlantic Key, can't complain at all. Everything was as said. The guys that came, they were all professional, very pleasant, very concerned about our time it took. They did it one day, and every time I called for a question, it was answered. It wasn't put off because I had to call, It seemed like we're getting close to this time frame, and I called where we were on it, and they told me where we were. They were right on it. You guys are great, and I appreciate the service you've offered. So, any questions I've had, they've answered, and they've been right on the money.